And here's how to create film rolling credits in Premiere Pro. First of all, I'm adding my image background and then I'm selecting the text tool, and here go ahead and write your film rolling credit text. And in this right hand menu you can change your text font size. You can also adjust your font family from here. You can also change your font color. Once you successfully created your all of rolling credits text, then you can increase your text layer, then select the text layer and go to effect controls. And here first of all you have to add this playhead at the 0 seconds of your clip, and then enable toggle animation for position, and then select motion. And here I'm just moving my text at the bottom of my video to hide my text, and then I'm moving my playhead, and here I'm adding another keyframe for position, and this time I'm going to decreasing this value to unhide my text. So you have to decrease this value until your text goes again hidden, and then I'm here adding -2000%, and then I'm just playing my timeline, and as you can see, a very beautiful film rolling cast created.